Hi, it's me again, Russ from Rusty's Tech. Yeah, just do a quick unboxing and then I'll set it up and then I'll be back with a lot better audio hopefully than I did have before. It's my birthday. Happy birthday to me. I've been given a mic setup and a ring light. I'm not setting up the ring light yet because I got to try and work out where to put it. But I've got a Streamplify Mic, and I've also bought microphone arm from Amazon. So let's open them up and see what they're like. I haven't looked at them, it's my first impressions. So let's open them up and go, etc. Lots of bits. Lots and lots of bits in silly bags. And if I can get out of the box, it would be great, but without causing too much hassle. And there goes something on the floor. Some more bits. Yes. Oh, so that is a standard mic holder. This is a Kahayai, one of them. If you can see it. I think it was about £10-15 on Amazon. Standard mic that you see, the ones that you stick in there and go, ooh, holder. A mobile phone hot clamp, no good for my phone, as I've got the Samsung Fold 3. Some metal shiny screwy things. I'm a bloke, I don't look at instructions, so a pivot head full. I'll get out of the bag because it's something that I will be using. Pivot head full, made of metal by the look of it, good quality. I'll put that there. A desk clamp, which is what I'm going to need. Because I've done myself a new desk. I've got an IKEA sit-stand desk and a House of Worktops beech solid wood worktop, and it is really good, high quality. Yeah, the clamp. Just like a G clamp with a hole at the top of it. And the arm with a screwy thing on the end. If you look, got a spike there and a screwy thing there. So, and there's a clampy thing as well, which I won't be unwrapping because I won't be using it. I think that's what goes into the bottom of the mic. Yep, there's that. I'll put that to one side. Get rid of the rubbish. Over to here a moment. Till I get a bin up here because I got to buy that. yeah, let's get on to the main star of the show, the mic. I bought the one without the tripod, the arm, because I thought if I get one with a tripod, at least then I got both of it. It was got from Overclockers UK, and if I remember right, I think I'm not 100% sure, but I'll put a link to the item on the video description. I've seen a couple of people looking at them and showing them off. They look quite good, and it's got a quick start guide. I can't show you it unboxing it, unfortunately, because I'm using a Razer webcam, which if I pick it up, it'll be like it'll go all funny and out of focus, etc. Right, one USB-A to USB-C cable, one USB-C to USB-C cable, one Velcro cable wrap, one metal tripod, little tripod, one shock mount, which looks quite good. Then it comes down to the second thing, one pop filter, and the main star of the show, the little mic. Everything seems like good quality stuff, to be honest, and this feels really nice. It's got it's metal, and yeah, I think it's all metal with a bit of plastic on the top, and the USB-C port on the bottom. It comes really well packaged. I really can't fault the packaging, but hey, yeah, that's just a quick unboxing of that. When I I'll get another camera which I can do a proper unboxing of stuff soon, because I'll use my DSLR or micro DSLR to do it, and you'll see it'll be completely different. Okay, I'll post this, and I shall see you in about 5 minutes when I've set everything up and tested it, and you should hopefully be able to hear me better. So, please like and subscribe. The subscribe button's down the bottom. It'll help me out. Thank you very much. And any comments I will message back. Cheers. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.